Hello guys, Mike here again with 210 Scrapping. Today we're going to be doing a camcorder. If it works, try to sell it on eBay. This one here doesn't work anymore. So we're going to be scrapping this and the charger. Here's the charger that goes with it. So we're going to start taking off all the screws. A lot of screws on this one. You just manhandle it. There we go. Take these screws off. Little motherboard here. Some more screws. There we go. Attach all the wiring. Some more wiring down here. Nice little board here. Battery, take that off. Let's see, is thought it was silver oxide battery, but it's not. It's just regular ion. Nice little board here. You take the IC chips off and collect those. Or you can just sell that as some. I think they'll buy this medium grade board. This little speaker here. Little speaker. Let's see what else is in here. Seems like there's a low grade board in there. Probably going to be a little electric motor in here. Rewind the tape and stuff. Okay. Here's the lens part. Here. Here's the rest. I'm going to try to take this out. Alright. This should just come off like that. And this should just pop right out. But it's not. There it is. Oh, we forgot a screw right there. Oh. There it is. And break this. Trash. Break this off. Break it. Yes. Yes. Here's the low grade board right here. I usually don't waste my time with these low grade boards. My scrapyard only pays 4 cents a pound. So it's really not worth the time to take them off. But for this video, I'll take it off. Just pull this wire out and throw it in with your number 2 coated wire. Just a little low-grade board. Alright, like I was saying, the middle part, work on this. My camera is shut off for some reason, but I took this low-grade board off of this right here and I turned it around and there is some gold right there. So, oh, and more gold right here. So I will be cutting that off And the way you can do that, just get some wire cutters, cut it, and then just trim it up a little. Oh, that went flying. And there's some gold fingers there, and just throw it in with your gold finger pile. And then here's some more here. Some more gold there. Can you see that? There it is. I'll be making a video on how to get this gold off of here as well in a later video. Right, so the main part here looks like it's very well constructed. There's a tape in there. Oh, screws. I guess you can just take off whatever's valuable here and throw the rest in with your metal. Let me take this little mortar off if I could get to it. I might just rip it off. Sounds like a better plan. There it is. There's another mortar under here. Yeah, we'll take this off just to give y'all a good example here. Just manhandle it. Yes. Okay. I believe that's all that's really worth anything in here. Yep. There it is. It's a little mortar. Spin some tape. You see there's the copper in there. I don't know if you could see that too well. There's some copper right there, so we could throw this whole piece with the copper bearing mortars. This is just tin. Alright, we're going to work on the lance now. This should just pop right out. One more screw here. This. Speakerphone. Or microphone, I mean. And we'll just take off the wire and the trash. There's some more tin. Trying to keep everything together here so I can show you. Little copper bearing mortar in here. You could take this apart. This is aluminum in here, and then I believe this is copper. And here's a piece of cast aluminum for the casing to hold it. So, oh, nice. Look at this. We have some gold here. So how can I take this off? What up? There we go. Come on. Here is some gold. I don't know if you could see that there. That is gold there. And there's some more. So we'll cut those off and put it with the gold bearing stuff. Or just rip it off by hand. Okay. Here. We'll put the gold bearing stuff. Alright, so now we're going to work on the charger for the camcorder. Let's get some screws on the bottom, but I can't seem to get to them. Just get in there. Yes. plastic. Low-grade board under here. There we go. Looks like some gold-plated contacts here. You could always put it with the gold stuff, and then once you put them in the solution, if it's brass, it'll just melt away with the rest of the other metals, just leaving the gold behind. So if you're not sure whether it's brass or gold, you just throw it all in there. Here's some more gold-plated. Take them off. Cut this. Put it all together there. Take this copper off right here. Throw it in with the rest. Some more wiring. So low-grade board here. And put that all together. Wire. Plastic, plastic, plastic. So that's about it for a camcorder. As you can see, we get a little bit of wire here, a little bit of low-grade boards. Well, one board, broke it up. A few mortars, some tin, and I thought this was stainless steel, but it actually stuck to the magnet, so that's not stainless steel. A little bit of gold bearing stuff here that we were able to get out of this. Battery. Here's a little monitor. I didn't take this apart. I mean, it's just a waste of time, I think. Some medium grade board. And here's some more low grade stuff right here. Yep, so that's all you get out of a camcorder and the charger. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.